Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are in good health and enjoying your live classes and are taking them very seriously. Children, in this video today we are going to study about letter of complaint. I will provide you with two samples and also an assignment question. So before we begin with the sample question, here are some tips for writing a complaint letter. Although the motive of complaint letter is to vent out your grievances and frustration, it is imperative, that is, it is important that you use a tone which is polite and simple. Try to be formal and avoid using offensive and disrespectful words. Make sure that you introduce yourself properly. The purpose of writing should be loud and clear. Do not deviate from the topic and write to the point. Make sure you adhere to the format as it carries marks. Underline the subject of the letter with a pencil. Also, underlining the main points is very important, but it is advisable that you do it after finishing your exam. Use a pencil and scale for underlining. Make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. They carry marks. Leave adequate number of lines between paragraphs to make it look clean. Presentation is very important. So here is your sample 1, children. Write a letter to Messrs. Oxford Publishing House, London, complaining that the books sent by them were not those you had ordered for. Ask for replacement. You are Varun Joshi, Sector 20, Chandigarh. So we will first begin with the sender's address. Then leave one line, write down the date, leave one line, write down the receiver's address, leave one line, write down the subject, and make sure you underline the subject. Leave one line, write down the salutation. So we will begin with the first paragraph. On May 1st, 2020, I bought a book set, order number 000154, to be delivered to Chandigarh, Sector 20. To my dismay, I have not received the set I ordered for and have instead received this wrong book set. I am highly disappointed. To resolve the problem, I would appreciate it if you could replace the wrong book set with the one originally ordered. Please let me know as soon as possible what action you propose to take. I look forward to hearing from you within the next 10 days. Enclosed are the copies of the transaction documents and the receipt. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem and will wait until the aforementioned time before seeking help from a consumer protection agency or the Better Business Bureau. Please contact me at the above address or by phone at the number which has been provided. Leave one line, write down the subscription, yours sincerely, then you have to sign the letter, then write down the name in capital letters, and since no designation is given, you will not write the designation. You will just write the copy of receipt and transaction documents enclosed. You are going to write that what has been sent with this letter. Alright children, let us see the sample 2. You are Apurv Arpit. You bought a refrigerator from Ganesh Electronics and Electricals, Gandhi Marg, Nagpur. It doesn't function properly. Write a letter to the sales manager of the shop complaining about the defect and asking for immediate replacement or repair as necessary. First we will write sender's address, then leave one line, write down the date, leave one line, write down receiver's address, leave one line, write down the subject, then leave one line, write down the salutation. So the first paragraph goes like, on 7/8/2008, I purchased a Godrej refrigerator model number 435, wide receipt number 234 from your showroom, paying rupees 15,000. Unfortunately, the refrigerator does not function properly now. It does not cool properly and side walls of it get heated a lot. The freezing compartment of the refrigerator stops suddenly. It produces noise with vibrations. To resolve the problem, I would appreciate if you get the refrigerator checked properly by a qualified technician. Since it is under warranty period, I request you to kindly send someone to replace it as it seems to have some manufacturing problem. The conclusion paragraph, third paragraph. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem and will wait until a week before seeking help from the consumer protection. Please contact me at the above address or by phone at the number which has been provided between 4:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then leave one line, write down the subscription, yours sincerely, sign the letter, then write the name in capital letter, and if no designation is given, please write down the content, the receipt of purchase and warranty card, whatever you are attaching with the letter. So this is your assignment question which you have to submit by Monday. You are Kirti/Krishna of 56 Indirapuram, Bangalore. You bought a new VIP washing machine from Messrs. Rama Electronic, Commercial Street, Bangalore last week. Now you find that the machine makes an unbearable noise and motor tears delicate fabrics. Write a letter in about 150 to 180 words to the dealer complaining about the same and requesting him to change the machine as early as possible.